Okay, so this last part we're going to do some problem solving. So we're going to do some higher level thinking with using the distributive property and using the combining like terms to simplify expressions. So it says write and simplify an expression to represent the area and perimeter of the rectangle below. And so for area, we know that we do length times width. And when we do that, 9 times x plus 3, we've got to multiply 9 times the quantity x plus 3. We've got to multiply it by the whole thing. And so x plus 3 has to go inside parentheses is really what that boils down to. We've got to put this inside parentheses. And so we know that 9 times x is 9x. I can bring down my plus sign, and 9 times 3 is 27. And so the area of this rectangle can be represented by the expression 9x plus 27. It is in simplest form because we don't have any like terms. We've got a term with x, and we've got a constant. For perimeter, we're going to add up all the sides. So we're going to add up 9 plus x plus 3 plus, we know this one is 9, plus, the opposite side is always the same, x plus 3 down here. And now we're looking for like terms. So I've got a constant of 9, 3, 9, and 3. Those are all constants. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 9 is 21, plus 3 is 24. And then I've got x plus x. And again, if you'd like to put a 1 in front, I think that's really a good strategy to start getting in the habit of doing, so that you recognize those are both 1x plus 1x, and 1 plus 1 is 2x. So I've got 24 plus 2x. I'm always going to rewrite this so that the variable is at the front and the constant term is at the back. So I'm going to rewrite this as 2x plus 24. It's just more mathematically acceptable to put the variable at the beginning and to put them in alphabetical order at the front. So that is how we write perimeter and area in simplest form in using expressions. I would challenge you to try the next one on your own, pause it, and check your answers when you're done. So again, for area, we always do length times width, so we've got to do x times the whole side length is 2x plus 2. And so when I multiply x times 2x, I get 2x squared because I've got 2 times x times x. And when I multiply x times 2, I bring down my plus sign and I get 2x. So I've got 2x squared plus 2x as my area. These two things are not like terms. Don't be tempted to put them together because they don't have the same exponent. They do have the same variable, but they do not have the same exponent. And so this is in simplest form 2x squared plus 2x. For my perimeter, I'm going to add up all my sides. So I'm going to add x plus 2x plus 2 plus x plus 2x plus 2. And I'm going to be looking for my like terms. Before I do that, I'm actually going to put a 1 in front of my x's so that I remember those are 1x and I don't forget them. 1x, 2x plus 1x plus 2x are my first set of like terms. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. That's 6x. And then I've got my constants. 2 plus 2 is 4. So my perimeter as a simplified expression can be written as 6x plus 4.